Hi everyone, welcome to The Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the drizzle stitch. The drizzle stitch is one of those wonderful stitches that can be used in a whole variety of different ways. I'm also going to show how to put a little bead at the very end of a drizzle stitch. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Come along and stitch with me. For the drizzle stitch, there are a couple things that I like to use. The first is a number 3 milliner's needle, my thread, and I'm going to use Sue Spargo's variegated threads in a number 8 weight. You can use a number 5 or a number 3 for the drizzle stitch. I'm just, for the purposes of this demonstration, going to use the number 8. And I'm intending to do a series of drizzle stitches accentuating this velvet hexie. I also really like having a drizzle pad. This is a mini little wool pad. I put it on the table in front of me where I'm working. I'm going to go ahead and thread a length of eleganza, my quilter's knot. For this first one, I'm not going to put a bead on it. I'm going to show you how to do that a little later. I'm going to come up right where the velvet and the fabric are meeting and the cotton. I come through. I'm now going to put my needle down, not inside the same hole, but as close as I can. I anchor it down. Now I unthread the needle and I do a cast on. Remember the bouillon cast on? It's the same motion. So if you're a knitter, it's the same as casting on yarn onto a knitting needle. You take I use my middle, but you can use your index. You pull it around and twist it and slip it on to the needle. I'm going to rethread my needle. I'm then going to take my needle out of its anchor and I'm going to pull that thread through. And that is my first drizzle. Since I'm doing a whole series of different threads, I'm going to go ahead and thread up 3 needles. So the first one with this thread, and I'm going to thread up a needle for each of these, and then I'm going to alternate. So I come up, I go back down near but not into the hole that I came out. I unthread my needle and I cast on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I'll do a couple more this time. 11, 12. I'm going to rethread my needle. I'm going to pull this through. I'm going to go ahead and put a bead on this one. So I've done my 10 cast-ons. I've got my variety of beads here. I think I'll just go with maybe a lime green. I'm going to slip my thread into this bead. Then I'm going to thread the needle. I'm going to pull my thread through just like I did with the other one. And I'm going to keep going. If you have something like Thread Heaven or beeswax of some kind, it can help you thread the needle, especially after multiple times of threading. It can get a little frayed, in which case I just cut that. I just do a fresh cut on it so that the end is straight and not frayed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with my blue. Whether you are right-handed or left-handed, this is going to be the same action that you're taking. You're just going to use your non-dominant hand to do the cast-ons, but otherwise it's going to be exactly the same. There it is. The drizzle stitch is really one of those lovely sort of look at me stitches. It has a lot of drama to it. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the links in the description because all the things that I've talked about will be mentioned in the description with links so that you can get anything that you might want. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to stitching together.